Welcome to the SaveOrScrap YouTube channel. Due to bad audio on this video track, we are trying today with computer-generated audio. So this video represents when we found a barnfind classic Mini. It had been in a collection with other older Minis, including rare several 1960s Mini Cooper S from all over the world. This one has been waiting assembly for many years and to be given a suitable engine. In effect, it's just a rolling shell. Sat in this barn for many years. Once a deal was made, the previous owner was good enough to deliver to my garage. First job was to wash down and clean all the many years of barn dust from it, and the paint came back to a decent shiny finish. The following footage is the car is delivered. It is missing many parts and needs a lot of reassembly. Sit back and enjoy the video walk around. Thanks for watching this video. More content on the channel, including the 1275cc engine being installed into this Mini. The build continues on SaveOrScrap YouTube channel.